What is going on, everyone? The weather's perfect. I'm with Ryan. Maybe we'll take the Scat Pack. Maybe we'll take the Supra. It's honestly one of the nicest days this year. Oh wait, I don't have the Supra or the Charger right now. Yeah. We're gonna talk about that. So let's jump in the truck here and let's chit chat about today's video. All right, guys, we're jumping in the truck. I have a bunch of pretzels with me. I figured while I'm visiting everybody, I will hand them some pretzels, so I'm a little less annoying. I feel that way when you come with food anyway. So, let's get on roll. We'll chit chat. All right, guys. So this video is about the Charger and the shitty insurance, but I also need to run to check on the Supra. So we're stopping at Unit 12. I got to drop off some pretzels, actually, like I said earlier. And, you know, it never hurts to check out what they have here. So let's run in, and then I will actually get into the meat and potatoes of the video, guys.
Two hours later.
Alright, guys, leaving Unit 12. Have a tune set up. KP is going to be tuning the vehicle, hopefully early June. The only thing left, I'm trying to figure out a master cylinder situation. The car's got a R154 trans, which is the MK3 trans. The master cylinder is for an MK3. I got to figure this out. There's an adapter. If there's something they could do, that's really the only dilemma. Otherwise, this car is going to be ready to go. So let's jump in. I want to run over to the body shop and let's actually talk about what this video is for, guys. Alright, guys, so we left the Supra shop. There's a quick update on the Supra. I figured we'd talk about that as well. Back to the topic here, back to why you guys clicked the video. I'm actually heading to the body shop to check out the Charger. I was in a minor accident about a month ago. I got rear-ended. I think the gal was texting, to be honest with you, stop and go traffic. Not crazy damage, but there was like stress marks, so I had to get a new bumper. And the amount of BS I've been dealing with these insurance companies is unspeakable. And at least in New Jersey anyway, I can't believe what they can get away with. So let's go actually check out the car, check out the condition of it, and we're actually going to talk about what the insurance company's been doing to me and what you might want to be aware of. All right. So guys, this is my old bumper. I don't know if you could see, but there's like stress marks all throughout here. It's one of the reasons why they had to replace it. Here is my poor car. Oh, my poor car. Alright guys, so there's the car. So here's the deal. You know, I thought I had a leg to stand on. I got rear-ended. You know, I had to go through this girl's insurance. She's got Geico. I'm not contracted with them, right? I'm contracted through Liberty Mutual. That's who I have insurance with. I said to myself, they have no room to do anything. I want OEM stuff, you know what I mean? Because I already had an idea of what the stunts are going to pull. So usually insurance companies do, by the way. Adjusters, they come out, their job is to save the company money. That's their job, to save the company as much money as possible. There's two big ways to do that. They usually use used parts, reconditioned parts, or aftermarket parts. Usually reconditioned are probably the used parts, probably the same thing. And, you know, probably a lot of people don't care. And I actually don't have an issue with them having that type of policy. I just have an issue when I put my foot down and I say, no, you know, this is a nice vehicle. I got a nice car payment. The vehicle's kept up with. It had an original OEM bumper before your customer smashed into it. So Geico, I fought them tooth and nail. You know, I say shame on them, you know, because here's the deal, guys. Yeah, they're following, apparently according to them, they're following the laws of New Jersey. I believe that. I don't know why they lied to me, because they're asking for a can of worms if they are. Alright guys, so I apologize about that. This can was rolling around. Let's get back into it. So, where did I draw the line? Where was I really fed up with the situation? I was really fed up with the situation when I was talking to the shop and I kind of realized a few things. Once the shop does the job, they're off the hook. Insurance company is no longer responsible. The shop's responsible. And for example, if the shop uses an aftermarket bumper, that bumper has a year warranty. What does that mean? That means, guys, if the aftermarket bumper or the reconditioned bumper cracks after a year, the body shop's not obligated anymore, and the company that produced the bumper is no longer obligated. Guess who is now responsible? Me. That's right. You can get in an accident, it can be the other person's fault. The company then, the insurance company then will replace the panels with aftermarket or reconditioned panels, and then potentially a year and a half, 2 years goes down the road, and stuff starts cracking, and you're responsible. You've had the car for 5 years, no issues at all, obviously, because it's OEM stuff, OEM quality. And now all of a sudden the insurance company's not responsible, the body shop's not responsible, you're stuck. I find this to be bullshit. So how did things end? Well, when I walked in there to talk to them, as you can see right now, they had a new bumper. I got the OEM bumper. It took a lot of fighting, guys. I mean, it took a lot of fighting for me to replace this. And guess what? I still might have lost, because the real reason why they ended up ordering an OEM bumper is the body shop had to confront them and say, hey, listen, these things have backup sensors, which I'm assuming this is, and said the bumper you guys ordered doesn't have the correct holes or fittings. So the insurance company had to then look into it and realize they couldn't get a hold of any company that produced the correct moldings, so they actually okayed an OEM bumper. So that's really what it took. I think it's funny because I've had a rental car, very frustrating rental car, it's not fun at all to drive, forever now, that they're paying for. So it does kind of crack me up because I think it's costing them money in the long run, but I'm just glad I have the OEM bumper. I ended up, let's walk over here, while the vehicle was sitting, I gave them the approval, I'm going to pay out of my own pocket to fix my side skirt because it was damaged, so I'm going to go ahead and this car's going to look pretty nice when it's done, so I'm real excited about that. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video. Comment below if you've ever dealt with some bullshit from insurance companies, what state you're from, and what kind of BS you guys got to deal with. I'll keep you guys updated if need be, but for the most part, the OEM bumper's in. Everything should be smooth. I finally am getting what I think I deserve, although it was quite the headache. Comment below. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because there's going to be more content coming on the Charger. The Charger's about to hit 100,000 miles, so I'm going to have an awesome 100,000 mile review video. And once the Supra's done, there'll be plenty of Supra content. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. So this guy's got gauges and some type of bar and like a stock looking Saab. Okay, with street tires. So I don't know. Anyway, okay.